Hello YouTubers, and today we're going to take a look at this Q-Fig Elite, the Rocketeer figure. Gonna look at the box first. Pretty neat. See what you're getting. That's pretty cool. Number 102. That shows you the back. Really neat. Really neat. Let's open it up. The Velcro to keep it together. That is really cool. Check that out. That is inside the box. Boxes are meant to be open. Okay, well, let's open it up. Take that out. Kind of see, let's see that like that. See what we got in here. Keeps it nice and solid in there. We're gonna bring that out, and there it is. There is the Rocketeer. Look at that. American flag in the background. Looks like he's lifting off. Probably to go fight some Nazis. Looks pretty cool. That is awesome. Let's check out the bottom. Disney's the Q-Fig, or Disney's the Rocketeer, Q-Fig Elite. And this was a Disney movie, The Rocketeer, made in the 90s. Pretty good movie. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Pretty awesome movie. But that is really cool. If you can find some too, get your hands on the comic books. They got some cool comic books. Pretty neat. Let's get a look there. That is pretty nice. There are other Q-Figs. I've seen a Jack Burton from Big Trouble in Little China. And there's many more. DC, comics, Batman, Superman, all kinds. Marvel, check them out. These are pretty neat. So, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked, please subscribe, and God bless.